old medicine man with the door wide open out here in the Magnolia. Say, come on in.
Cruising this thing down under, there's a man, bulldozer, straight want to hit some,
Yeah, mighty fine, bulldozer. Hey, bulldozer, I hear you cruising through the duck-legged drugstore. Hey, I hear you cruising through that end, and I also hear old local boy out there, too. The real local boy trying to get in. I believe y'all stuck in the same duck-legged door. See who won't come through the door first. Hey, local boy, the real local boy, you don't come through the door first. That duck-legged cow big and bulldozer. Hey, bulldozer, drop your blade and come on in, because I just started the duck-legged water gate. Mr. Bulldozer, old medicine man, say, come on in. Well, it started off like this when they duck-legged in. The real local boy, the real local boy, the real local boy. Then I hear old bulldozer coming through the cow big and door too. I heard old bulldozer coming through the duck-legged door. Then I heard old duck-legged sound like old Shucker 220 out there talking. Boy, old Mother Nature's kind of running each and every one. But I did hear both of y'all once again. Hey, local boy. Also, hey, bulldozer, let's try it again. Let's try again. Old medicine man got down. Yeah, I hear that, bulldozer. You came at the end. Hey, bulldozer, you came out at the end, right in while you get up. But that real local boy coming in here, beginning talking about local boy, the real local boy. He was loud and duck-legged proud. Then all of a sudden, old Mother Nature got rough. But you came at the end. Hey, bulldozer. Hey, local boy, you dropped it down that time around for the world of sound. Local boy. Oh, bulldozer, once again, old medicine man calling it is going. Ain't that right, you local boy? The real local boy in the mobile all by yourself that time around. You walked it all the way that time. Oh, local boy, while you working that cabin mobile, come pick up Bozo. Come pick up Bozo and get him a duck-legged ride. WZZZ. Hey, local boy, here I come. Shake, break, 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 break. You local boy. Hey, local boy, just put down the 12. I should be rolling in the 12th. I should be rolling in the Big Island on the 12th of next month. No doubt about it. Next cow big and in. Roll out the duck-legged gold carpet, the red carpet. If nothing don't happen, the good Lord let me do it. I will be in the Big Island of Honolulu come the 12th of next month. Local boy, medicine man, letting you know, goddamn. local boy. Hey, local boy, that duck-legged mobile, the real local boy out there in that mobile, and you don't stand by for bulldozer because you don't blow this shit up. You don't want to blow it up for him. Oh, that's what you told me. Hey, local boy, WZZZ, a televisor, and I tell what's going on in the duck-legged drugstore. So take care. I'm going to see if bulldozer's still out there. But right about now, you invade my duck-legged drive-through window. Hey, local boy, no medicine man, that's your mobile gone. Bye, local boy. The real local boy in the good time gang. No doubt about that Caribbean Inn. You rocking and popping out here in the Magnolia. I got it all because you said it all. I'm going to ease this duck-legged drugstore back down. WZZZ, the man with the badass drive-through window. Hey, local boy. Oh, WZZ gone. Well, sound like I heard that duck-legged, a local boy at that listening post in that duck-legged Inn too. Sound like I heard old local boy on that listening post. Oh, WZZZ with zip, zap, and zam. WZZZ call letters of this broadcasting drugstore station gone. It ain't no thing but a bozo thing. It ain't no thing but a bozo thing. Y'all take care of that duck-legged Inn. Oh, WZZZ digging in the mess gone.